model, 68-plate Nissan Nevada 400, recovery truck spares OR repairs ULEZ compliant simple turbo fix. Starstruck trader margin throwing kisses. Body, white, recovery with winch. Mileage, 138420. MOT, 6 December 2024. Engine, 2298 cc. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine is 100 checked all good. These 2.3 engines are bulletproof Starstruck. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, full service history, electric windows. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.